YouTube. Thanks, guys. Good morning. One of these days, I'm just going to come on real smooth with no incidents. But until then, I'm glad you don't mind. Welcome to this morning's 10-minute daily meditation. We're going to continue to focus on physical healing. I would love to get some feedback. So whether you're listening to this in the morning or late at night, let me know how it's going. I will say I was having some serious sciatic problems, and using that angelic cloth have really found a significant difference. I'm already feeling significantly better and looking forward to how it goes today. So I am Nora Truscello. I'm with intuition.com. I'd love it if you'd like, share, or subscribe to my channel. So we are going to jump right in. For those who are new, we always say 2 prayers of protection. Please say them with me or just repeat them after me in your mind if you don't know the words. Afterwards, we do a simple guiding meditation. Then we're in silence for a few minutes. After the silent period, I do chime a bell so as not to jolt you out of your meditation. And then we close with the 23rd Psalm and hit the rest of our day or enjoy the rest of our evening. So let's get started. Before taking a deep breath, a real great way to get into a relaxed state is to exhale everything you can and then take a deep inhale. So let's do that. Close your eyes, and as I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Amen. Let us scan our bodies now. Just start from the top of your head, scan through, checking out for any tightness, any discomfort, and just ask that part of your body to relax. It is amazing how our bodies follow our intentions and our mind. Double check around the neck and the shoulders. Make sure you check out your knees. Just scan everything. Anywhere there's a little tightness or a lot, put your attention and invite it to relax. Now let's move up to the top of our head again and to our third eye. Our third eye is on our forehead between our eyebrows and the top of our head, the crown chakra. You might notice some movement. This is where the energy of the divine pours into us. Let us follow the flow all the way down to our feet. And as we're following the flow, let us notice how we are dividing and separating the 3 bodies that we are, the physical, the mental, and the spiritual. So as we move into our head, following this divine energy, allow it to start to separate and expand. You'll start to feel yourself actually moving away from your body very slightly in different directions. This is caused because there's the physical you, the mental you, and the spiritual you. So we're following this divine energy as it divides up the 3 bodies, giving us the opportunity to work just on the physical. Follow this energy into our throats, our chest, arms and hands, our trunk, our legs, our ankles and feet. Now in your mind's eye, travel back up to the top of you and kind of look down at yourself. And notice there are 3 like tunnels, each one representing that part of you, a physical part, a spiritual part, and a mental part. You are there, but you're in 3. You are still one, but three parts of the whole. Notice now in your right hand is this beautiful angelic cloth. It was handed to you from the divine so that you can go into the physical part of you, traveling down through this separate part, and just use this angelic, beautiful, divine cloth of God to heal anything that needs to be healed. Any aches and pains, any stress, any arthritis. And if you need to switch hands, switch hands. Put that cloth wherever you need it, and in your mind's eye, allow the divine healing to come from that cloth onto the part of your body that you move this cloth to. And just wipe away that which is not of God, that which is diseased. It's not at ease. And we will do this for a few moments in silence. Let us take a moment now and hang that beautiful cloth back up into heaven and be very thankful. Just know that all this disease, this discomfort, this pain, all this illness is just being lifted back up to God. Knowing you no longer need it, you trust in Him to heal it, and in the power of the universal love that God is, to heal and make you whole. Thank you. Now we need to bring ourselves and pull ourselves back together and into the present. So we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me. I hope you are feeling as fabulous as me. And I just am out of curiosity, that little finger is actually working as well as the left side. It wasn't going down at all due to a small injury that actually caused arthritis to kick in. So I've been focusing on my little pinky finger, and I am so excited. I'm not surprised, though, and that's the key here. When we ask for divine intervention in a prayerful state, we do get divine intervention. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.